What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 6 reasons to buy the OPPO F7. Now with any other phone out there isn't a perfect phone out there or a phone without a flaws. So these are just some reasons that you might want to consider while buying this phone. Now with that said, the first reason to buy this phone would definitely be its display. This phone sports a 6.23-inch in-cell display with Full HD Plus resolution with the new 19:9 aspect ratio with the notch at the top just like the iPhone X. It also comes with a 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. Now the next reason to buy this phone would definitely be the front-facing camera. On the front, it sports a 25 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture with Sony IMX576 sensor. It comes with all the bells and whistles like the AI beauty mode, vivid mode and even AR stickers. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the performance. Unlike the previous OPPO phones which were priced high but came with very mediocre MediaTek processors, this phone actually comes with a pretty powerful MediaTek Helios P60 processor built using the 12nm architecture. So in terms of performance, it is said to be 80% faster than OPPO F5 and now it is also much more power efficient. It definitely has more raw performance than Vivo V9. These are the benchmark scores for a quick comparison. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be for its good memory management. Many phones these days come with 4GB of RAM and even 6GB of RAM, but if the memory management is not good or the phone is not very well optimized, you will have a horrible experience. For example, Vivo V9 also comes with 4GB of RAM. Memory management is good, but comparatively, memory management is much better on the OPPO F7. So if you are someone who uses a lot of applications at the same time, you will have a much better user experience with the OPPO F7. I'm not comparing with Vivo V9, I'm just saying memory management is really good on the OPPO F7. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the dedicated SD card slot. This phone comes with around 50GB of free space for your user apps and user data. For many people that might be sufficient, but if that's not sufficient for you, then the dedicated SD card slot will be of a great help. There aren't many phones out there that offer a dedicated SD card slot, especially at this price segment or for their flagships. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the price. This phone is priced at 22,000 rupees, that is 1,000 rupees less than the Vivo V9. So if you are someone who is just looking to have an awesome display and don't care about the dual camera setup on the rear, then you can definitely go with this phone instead of the Vivo V9 and save some money. Now in my opinion, these were the major reasons to buy this phone. Besides that, we have some other good things like it has a super fast fingerprint scanner and the face unlock feature on this phone is super fast. Definitely as fast as the OnePlus 5T. It also has better software implementation, at least when compared to the Vivo V9. It has more gestures, notification toggles at the top, like the regular Android phones. It supports split screen mode for more applications, which Vivo V9 doesn't. Supports picture-in-picture mode, and we can also make video calls directly from the phone dialer. So guys, these are all the pros, good things, and some reasons to buy the OPPO F7. Now as I've said, this phone isn't perfect, nor is any other phone out there. So there are some cons and problems with this phone. I'll be posting another video for that. So check that out before making your final decision. And if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag ASKGREEDYTECH on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.